Form W-9 and nonprofits. What's the connection? If you're involved with a nonprofit organization, understanding when and how to fill out this important tax form is crucial. Let's dive into the world of W-9 forms for nonprofits and uncover why they matter. Form W-9, officially known as Request for Taxpayers Identification Number and Certification, is a document used by the Internal Revenue Service to gather information about individuals and organizations receiving payments. It's part of a dual reporting system that helps ensure tax compliance. Now, you might be wondering why nonprofits, which are generally tax-exempt, need to bother with W-9 forms. The answer lies in the nature of certain payments and transactions. Nonprofits may need to complete a W-9 when receiving payments for services provided, rental income from property, grant funds, or vendor payments. Even though nonprofits typically don't pay income taxes, this form verifies their tax-exempt status and ensures proper reporting. So, how should a nonprofit fill out Form W-9? Start by entering the organization's name as it appears in the Articles of Incorporation. For the entity type, check the box for C Corporation or choose Other and write Nonprofit Corporation. In the Federal Tax Classification section, select Other and specify Nonprofit Corporation Exempt under Section 5(1)(c)(3) of the IRS. Enter the organization's mailing address and employer identification number, or EIN. Remember, never use a personal social security number for a nonprofit. Finally, sign and date the certification section. When completing W-9 forms, nonprofits should be careful to avoid common mistakes. These include selecting the wrong tax classification, using a social security number instead of an EIN, failing to indicate tax exemption, leaving sections blank, or providing an incorrect EIN. These errors can lead to unnecessary withholding taxes or IRS scrutiny. After filling out the W-9, simply provide it to the business entity that requested it. There's no need to file this form directly with the IRS. It's important to complete and return the form promptly when requested, as it helps establish your organization's independent tax-exempt identity. In some cases, nonprofits may need to provide alternative forms instead of a W-9. For foreign entities receiving U.S. income, Form W-8-BEN might be required. Foreign nonprofits claiming exemption from withholding under a tax treaty may need to use Form 8233. Some payers might also request a copy of the nonprofit's IRS determination letter as proof of tax-exempt status. To wrap up, let's review the key points. Nonprofits may need to fill out Form W-9 when receiving certain types of payments. When completing the form, include the organization's name, tax classification, and EIN, and ensure you mark the tax-exempt status. The W-9 helps establish a nonprofit's tax-exempt identity and prevents unnecessary tax withholding. By understanding when and how to properly complete Form W-9, nonprofits can maintain compliance with IRS requirements and ensure smooth financial transactions.